Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play the Angry Birds 2 game on your PC without using any emulators. So let's get started right away. Now if you haven't already installed the Google Play Games Beta application, then just open up your web browser and type in Google Play Games Beta to begin your search. Now open up this link from play.google.com/googleplaygames. You will now see the download beta option. Just click on it to download the installer and you can just open it up to choose your installation directory. Just click on the install button and wait for the installation to complete. Once it is done, you can open up the Google Play Games Beta app and just log in using your Google account. You will now gain access to Google Play Store. Now click on the search button and type in Angry Birds 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and now just click on the install button. You can also add a shortcut to your desktop if you wish. Just wait for the download process to complete, and once it is done, you can use the desktop shortcut to launch the game or click on the play button to start playing the Angry Birds 2 game on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Angry Birds 2 on your PC without any emulators. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.